We've been looking at crispy activities, and one of my absolute favorites to do with students is called mapping tests. Here's how it works. Get students into groups and give each group about 20 index cards labeled with themes, ideas, characters, or images from your unit, plus add a blank card to serve as a wild card. Here's an example using Romeo and Juliet. In groups, students arrange and rearrange the cards, discussing connections they see among the items. They move the cards around until the connections start to click. You'll see their ideas grow in real time, and you'll be surprised at the connections they make as they create their map. Once they're satisfied with the map, students will stick it on a sheet of poster paper or draw the map using arrows, bridges, color coding to explain their connections to each other. Then, individually, they'll explain their map in writing, answering the prompt, "Explain your map." The beauty of this is that if you have 6 different groups, you'll get 6 different maps, and each group member will have a unique take on the map itself. Now, how crispy is it? Well, it involves a certain degree of creativity as students map out relationships between ideas, translating a mental picture into words. There's an element of reflection when students have to explain and justify their interpretation of the map. It involves interaction because it's highly collaborative. Students are talking, debating, justifying their choices. It definitely prioritizes the process. Collaboratively making the map using higher order thinking is the valuable part of all this. And finally, it's an experience. Based on the times that I've done this with students, they remember it because it's novel and unconventional. Plus, it's a type of test that empowers students to show off what they do know rather than penalizing them for what they might not yet know. So give it a try.